Okay, there's room over here to glaze. My little painting station glaze. Yeah, but my metal smithing stuff is kind of in a pile, but it's clearer. So, let's get glazing. Actually, I think I'm going to use an oxide. Yeah, one of these. I have Spanish red, brown iron oxide. That might be interesting. Or light gray. Black iron. And what's the other one? Brown iron. And copper carbonate. Okay, let's get back at it in a moment. Okay, I mixed some black side. I used about 2 spoons of this to that much water. We'll see how that comes out. And then I'm going to mix the copper carbonate. But if this is shaped like a pouch, I'm thinking the brown, but I'll just play with it and have some fun. Okay. Oops. So let's see if that will help show what I'm mixing. Without it falling and getting all weird. So, getting this copper carbonate, and I will use, let's just try one big old scoop. Some water. Need a little bit left to rinse the brushes off. So, I'm gonna stir it up. This too looks pretty pretty thick. I've never asked in the studios at Tucson Parks and Rec, Reed Park, when I was taking pottery classes there. I never thought about asking the ratio of the oxide mixed with the water. It was always just ready. And we were there to play with pottery, and that's about it. So usually you rinse it so it won't absorb too much. Well. We're just gonna have to experiment. And all my brushes are tiny, except for this one and this one. Granddaughter was here and we had outside painting projects. And there we go. That one's all right. So, let's stir it. And I think this is pretty thin actually. I'm going to spread it around on the inside. I'm thinking this is really thin stuff. So this is going to be really light. See when it goes on, I'll let it run on the outside. Yeah, maybe that'd be kind of cool with the black. I don't have wax resist, but usually with oxides it doesn't matter too much if it's on the bottom. Just try to not let it be so much on the bottom. I'll wipe that up afterwards. And I kind of would like just to see how it would do like that. It is quite thin. Okay, now I'm going to put the black. This is some antiquing stuff. I've never used that yet. So we'll use that one for the clear, and I'll use this little one here. Now that it's all sitting down there on the outside, on the edge. That is going to take forever. I need to make dinner. Just, if the brushes aren't cleaned right away, I bought pottery stuff along with this kiln. Oh yeah, I didn't show everybody, but I have a much bigger kiln. I'm so excited. So I'm wiping it from the bottom, so it's really going on really dark. If I stir, it's thinner. So I was thinking of getting it in there and then rub some off and see how that comes out. And we'll check it out tomorrow because it's gotta go in the kiln, which takes a while, and I'm pretty sure this should dry, even though I'm in a kind of a hurry. So I'm going to spread it all on there as much as possible, and then wipe it off. Black, so I'm wondering if it's going to come out black. I haven't used oxides in a long time. I remember my favorite was the cobalt, and I'm just curious to see how this is gonna go. Okay, so we have that. So now I need my rag. Voila. Definitely get that off the bottom there. I don't know if I want to really wash it or just wipe it there. And close this up before I spill it, and put a clear glaze, clear brushing glaze. And I didn't think about shaking it, so I will rub some off. Rub and rub and rub. It's not coming off very well. Really absorbed in there. I'm just kind of going along with experimentation here. I haven't been in pottery class in a long time, and I should have read up on oxides, right? And I will hurry because this video is going on and on and on, and I'm starving. Oh yes, I'm starving. There we go. Some of it's lightening up, and when I want it thicker in the other places. I don't know if I should glaze the outside or the inside, or maybe both. And just do a little bit. Oof. I hope I don't mess up the glaze. So I have this little candle. Don't need a candle in here right now, so I'm going to put it on there because because I totally forgot what I was saying. Oh, because the black, as I'm brushing over, is getting on the brush. And I don't want to contaminate what's in the container here. And then I'm going to put it really thick on the edge, just to see what happens with that. Which, it's quite obvious it's going to run, and it's clear, so there's not really a whole lot that it's gonna do except for run and make some parts shiny, and some areas will not be shiny. So this is quite an experiment that I probably won't be too thrilled with. So there's the clear, and I'm thinking one more thing. Oh yeah, I'm thinking. Here we go, I'm thinking. Look at this. How about if I make a mess? Look at that, making a mess. Splatter the inside, and then I'm going to splatter the outside. Just splatter, splatter. Splitter, splatter. With this toothbrush. Alright. I think it needs to go under the stuff. Hi. So, hubby just got home. Alright. There we go. Okay, it's sitting in the little kiln. I have a dilemma here. Let's see. This says cone 5, so I'm guessing to try that, right? It's supposed to be a cone 6 kiln, and the ones I bought, when I said cone 6, it's 06. So I know that's supposed to be something totally different than cone 6. And there is 06 again. And there's a 7. So I bought these. This one says Glaze. I bought all these other ones from the person I bought this kiln. I'll show you in a minute who that is. This is 05. It says Glaze. I would really like to see if this kiln ever could reach a cone 6, which there's no cone 6. There's a 7, there's 06, like I said. So I'm thinking of trying cone 5. I hope everything goes well. And I have to figure out what to do about that, because 06 and 6 are different. And you get this lever. It's up here. You lift this. All right. Hang on here. Sorry. Okay, it's locked in there, but if I let go, it's gonna fall, I think. Oh, it didn't. Oh, because there's a bar in there. Whoa. Whoops. Now it fell. And I don't remember what that is. Maybe it's the 06. And I don't want to check and have this long-ass video going on and on. You know what I mean? Okay, sorry. So, there we go. And I'm sliding the number 5 cone in there. And yeah, staying at Mom's, everything had to be outside. Salty ocean air, and this is really old. And then what I'm gonna do is turn it on. And you turn it on. Might say off. And then we're gonna go all the way up here. As far as I know, that's going all the way up. And wait, it goes that way. Bigger numbers. The numbers are not getting bigger. They're bigger right there.